Hello everyone, this is the IElTS which recording and reviewing task 1 from the IElTS writing section. So this is the image which you have to describe for task 1. So it is a table, it has languages, number of native speakers, number of speakers as an additional language and total number of speakers. We have Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, English, Arabic and Portuguese. So basically most number of speakers are for Mandarin. Okay, let's see what the answer has been given. The table demonstrates the number of native speakers of 6 languages as well as additional language speakers. You have to write additional language number of speakers who speak it as an additional language, not as well as additional language. You have to specify that number of speakers who speak it as an additional language. Overall, it is noticeable that Mandarin Chinese has the highest number of speakers, whereas Portuguese has the least number of speakers in the chart. Okay, good. To begin with, the Mandarin Chinese. Now you have to note down that Mandarin is a proper noun wherein the M would always be capital. The Mandarin Chinese language is the only language which has a total number of speakers over 1 million. No, 1 billion. 1 million, that is 1090 million. No, that is 1 billion. Wherein native speakers of 900 million and people who speak as an additional language are 190 million, followed by the English speakers, wherein people who speak as an additional language is higher compared to the native speakers. That is 942 million. Okay. So speakers 630 million and 339 million respectively. Wait a minute, I'll have to look at this again. Followed by the English speakers, wherein people who speak it as an additional language is higher compared, it should always be in a past tense, higher compared to native speakers 630 million and 339 million respectively. Okay. So you have to write here as speak English as an additional language and higher compared to. While the total number of Hindi speakers are 490 million, which is similar to Spanish, which is 420 million. Uh, After Spanish, you have to give a semicolon. When it comes to speaking these languages as an additional language, the number for Hindi is much more, 120 million, than that for Spanish, which is 70 million. Okay, you have compared Hindi with Spanish, English with Mandarin, and I hope you have compared Arabic with Portuguese. Surprisingly, the Arabic and the Portuguese have similar figures with 206 and 203 million respectively as native speakers. Yes, although the number of Arabic speakers as an additional language are 24 million, which is, it should be R 24 million, which is almost greater than the speaker of all. Why is almost greater? It should be greater. Just greater. Plain simple greater. It should be, it is greater than the speakers of Portuguese as an additional language. So structure wise, there are no mistakes. This is a good comparison and good pairing of languages wherein you have paired Chinese with English, Hindi with Spanish and Arabic with Portuguese considering the total number of speakers. Grammatically, there are a few mistakes which you need to take care of. Okay, anyways, please follow my channel for more contents, more reviews for task 1, task 2 of IElTS writing section and keep posting your tasks so I can review them. Thank you again. Bye.